Let's learn amazing birds. Macaw, super bright parrots that can live over 50 years and love to talk. Macaw. Flamingo. They stand on one leg and turn pink because of the food they eat. Flamingo. Toucan.
Wow!
Famous for its huge colorful beak. Toucan. Peacock. Has beautiful, shimmering tail feathers it fans out like a rainbow. Peacock. Hummingbird. The smallest bird that can fly backwards. Hummingbird. Penguin. A flightless bird that waddles and swims underwater.
Wow!
Penguin. Parrot. Can talk and mimic sounds. Parrot. Ostrich. The biggest bird, it runs really fast.
Wow!
Ostrich. Woodpecker. Pecks trees with its beak to find insects. Woodpecker. Kiwi. A tiny, shy bird from New Zealand with a long beak. Kiwi. Puffin. Looks like a mini penguin with a colorful beak.
Wow!
Puffin. Emu. The second biggest bird, it can't fly but can sprint. Emu. Swan. A big, graceful white bird that glides on water. Swan. Kingfisher. A small bird with bright blue feathers that dives for fish.
Wow!
Kingfisher. Canary. A tiny yellow bird famous for its sweet singing. Canary.